Well, how are you going, guys? Tom here from Sweeney Hire. We're just running through our new log splitter, 30-ton log splitter at the moment. It's a coal engine, petrol engine. So you got your throttle control here, you got your on and off switch down here. You've also got your fuel on and off and your choke. So basically, to me, that's your choke on when it's cold, and then that's your choke off over there. You just probably give it one pull first with the choke on full, and then you probably be able to go to half choke, and after a while, and then after a few seconds, then you'll be able to go to choke off. That's transport position basically, on and off. That's your off position for your fuel, that's your on position, and then that's your throttle. Then just wind it up then when you have it actually going. Just with the controls over here, that's just basically pushes the axe head into the log, and then when you're on the reverse, that'll actually hold for you, so you don't have to actually hold your hand on it, and it'll actually reverse the axe head back out. And if you just click it there, you can go halfway as well if you just want to hold it on it, and then you don't have to go all the way back. Obviously the logs are going to be a little bit smaller than some, so it just takes, it's going to be a little bit quicker than if you just go to there. So yeah, as I said, just on switch there. We won't need any choke now, but if you do, it's just there with the choke, but we'll leave it off there for now because we're just at the start in it. So our fuel is on, that's on your turtle.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.